Once upon a time in the early 1800s, a girl named Araminta Ross was born in Maryland. She lived in a world where slavery was common, forced to work hard on a tobacco plantation. This girl would grow up to be known as Harriet Tubman, a name that represents bravery and the fight for freedom. From a young age, Harriet faced countless challenges. She witnessed family members being sold away and endured physical abuse herself. Despite the pain and fear, she found small moments of joy when she escaped into the woods, feeling the fresh air and imagining what it would be like to be free. When Harriet was about 12 years old, a heavy weight fell on her head, causing a serious injury. After this, she began to have strange dreams and visions, believing they were messages from a higher power guiding her toward freedom. This sparked a deep desire in her to escape from slavery. In 1849, after years of suffering, Harriet made a brave decision. She escaped to Philadelphia. Her journey was fraught with danger. She traveled only at night, following the North Star to guide her. The threat of being caught by slave hunters loomed large, but her hope for freedom kept her going. Upon arriving in Philadelphia, she found safety, but felt a deep sadness knowing her family was still in bondage. Harriet couldn't forget them. Her heart compelled her to return to the South. She became a conductor on the Underground Railroad, a secret network helping enslaved people escape to freedom. Over the next several years, Harriet made many treacherous trips back to the South. She became skilled at avoiding capture, often changing her appearance and using her knowledge of the land. Each journey was perilous, but her determination to help others find freedom never wavered. On her first journey back, she successfully rescued her own brothers, Ben and Henry. This victory fueled her resolve. As word spread of Harriet's bravery, more people began to trust her. Over nearly 10 years, she made about 13 trips, helping around 70 people escape, including family, friends, and strangers. One famous story recounts a close call with slave catchers. While leading a group through a forest, they nearly got caught. Instead of panicking, Harriet remained calm and declared, "You'll be free or die." With her guidance, they discovered a hidden path to safety. Harriet believed deeply in the strength of those she rescued. She often said, "I never had a master, I had a friend," reminding them they were not alone. Her faith in their bravery inspired many to persevere, even in the darkest moments. When the Civil War began in 1861, Harriet's role transformed. She became a spy and a nurse for the Union Army, using her knowledge of the South to gather crucial information and assist former enslaved people in adjusting to their new lives. In 1863, Harriet led a daring raid on the Combahee River, freeing over 700 enslaved people from plantations along the river. This bold act demonstrated her strong commitment to freedom and solidified her status as a hero to many. After the war, Harriet continued her fight for justice, becoming an advocate for women's rights. She believed that everyone deserved equal opportunities, regardless of race or gender. Her tireless work inspired countless others to join her in the battle for equality. Though Harriet faced many challenges throughout her life, including poverty and health issues, she never gave up. In her later years, she settled in Auburn, New York, where she opened a home for elderly African Americans, providing them with safety and comfort. Harriet Tubman's legacy is a powerful story of courage, determination, and compassion. She teaches us the importance of standing up for what is right and helping those in need. As we remember her journey, we are inspired to carry on her spirit of bravery and advocacy in our own lives. And so, Harriet Tubman's story continues to inspire people today, reminding us that one person can indeed make a difference in the fight for freedom and justice.